What happens when raw industrial heritage collides with timeless Parisian elegance? This loft is not merely a home, it is a dialogue between centuries. Exposed steel beams converse with ornate moldings, while herringbone floors ground modern luxury in historic craftsmanship. Every space is deliberate, every contrast intentional. This is where grit becomes refined, where Paris reinvents itself through design. Step inside a residence that redefines what contemporary French luxury truly means. The facade introduces the home's philosophy before a single step inside. Classic Parisian stonework anchors the structure in history, while oversized black steel-framed windows signal a bold industrial reinvention. Subtle brick accents and wrought iron details create tension between restraint and strength. This exterior does not seek attention, it commands it quietly, confidently, and with purpose. It is an architectural promise of what lies beyond, authenticity elevated through design intelligence. Inside, the living room unfolds as the heart of the loft. Double-height ceilings expose structural steel beams, softened by ornate moldings that whisper Parisian refinement. Brick walls bring texture and depth, while herringbone oak floors restore warmth and continuity. Natural light floods through arched windows, casting dramatic shadows that change throughout the day. This space balances scale with intimacy, designed not to impress, but to endure. The master bedroom is where industrial boldness yields to quiet sophistication. Exposed brick meets refined wall moldings, creating a layered backdrop of history and comfort. Linen textiles, velvet accents, and warm brass lighting soften the raw architecture. Tall steel-framed windows frame the city while preserving privacy. This is a retreat designed for restoration, where strength dissolves into serenity without sacrificing character. The kitchen is unapologetically architectural. Concrete countertops and matte black cabinetry establish industrial clarity, while brass hardware introduces Parisian elegance. The herringbone flooring anchors the space, maintaining visual continuity throughout the home. Suspended pendant lighting adds rhythm and focus, transforming utility into performance. This kitchen is not hidden, it is celebrated as a central, social, and sculptural space. The mezzanine floats effortlessly above the living space, framed by black steel railings and warmed by wood flooring. It functions as a library, lounge, or reflective escape, proof of spatial intelligence rather than excess. From here, the loft's volume is fully realized, offering perspective and pause. This level connects openness with privacy, reinforcing the home's architectural narrative. The bathroom transforms routine into ritual. Exposed brick contrasts with marble surfaces, while a freestanding tub becomes a sculptural centerpiece. Brass fixtures glow against darker industrial tones, and steel-framed glass maintains transparency without fragility. Lighting is soft, deliberate, and flattering, designed to calm rather than impress. This space exemplifies controlled luxury through material balance. The front yard acts as a transitional pause between city and sanctuary. Stone paving, restrained greenery, and industrial steel planters echo the home's material language. It is minimal, composed, and intentional, never ornamental. This exterior space prepares the mind before entering, reinforcing that luxury here is defined by clarity, not excess. The rooftop terrace is a private Parisian escape. Wood decking softens the steel structure, while lush greenery contrasts the urban skyline. Every element is curated to frame the view, not compete with it. As daylight fades, the terrace becomes cinematic, an elevated expression of modern Parisian living, suspended between sky and history. The working room reflects disciplined creativity. Exposed brick and steel beams establish focus, while a solid wood desk and leather seating introduce warmth and authority. Natural light floods through industrial windows, creating an atmosphere of clarity and purpose. This is not a home office, it is a command center for thought, vision, and execution. The backyard is an urban refuge, enclosed by brick walls softened with greenery. Industrial accents remain subtle, allowing nature to lead the experience. Ambient lighting transforms the space at night, offering privacy and calm within the city's pulse. It is not an addition, it is a necessary counterbalance to the home's architectural strength. This Parisian loft is not defined by trends, but by balance. It honors the past without imitating it, embraces industry without coldness, and delivers luxury without excess. Every detail serves a purpose, every contrast tells a story. In this home, design is not decoration, It is identity, thoughtfully and beautifully expressed.